we're taking a look at the parts from the DD40 after they have come out of the ultrasonic cleaner. If you remember how rusty and corroded they were, let's get in close. And what I have here, a microfiber cloth and a big fan. Okay, so let's take a look closely at the worm gears. Focus on that. Yes, all the bushings. Let's check one out. Let's go over to the other side. What? They're all clean. How did that happen? Remember how rusty these things were? Let's take a look at the wheel sets. Oh my. Are they totally clean? They are as clean as you can get them. Everything is nice and clean. Right now, I got it on the microfiber cloth in front of the fan. There's the gears. Oh, they were in bad shape. They had years of hardened oil. Now, what I use in the ultrasonic cleaner is I use mean green because it's cheap. You get it at Family Dollar, you get it at Menards, Lumberyard, wherever. Very cheap. If you can afford it, simple green is probably even better. But I use the cheap stuff. And if you remember how rusty these things were, that's the inside. Let's check it out. If we can see here. Take a look. That takes care of the rust. Okay, that one looks like it. See the black spots? That's corrosion. That's pitting. Okay, that's bad. We're going to coat this with an antioxidant. First, I like to let them sit in front of this fan on the microfiber cloth, and it'll dry them out nice. Then I'll coat them with an antioxidant, and then they will never do that again. You'll be good to go. So that is some good stuff. Our parts are cleaned and ready. We can probably just go ahead and reassemble these and same way. Look at those worm gears. See if we can focus on that. Can we get a focus on that, huh? Man, these worm gears were in terrible shape. They look good now, though. The phosphor bronze is bronze again. All right, that's good stuff.